How to completely sign out or log out Gmail account from PC or laptop. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, launch your web browser on your device. Now click the Gmail link at top right corner, or simply you can click on this 9 dots at top right corner and scroll down and locate Gmail application and open it. Now you will land on this page where you need to simply sign into your account. Click on profile icon at top right corner of the screen and here you will see sign out button. Click on it. You will land on the space where you can easily see that your bookmarks, history, passwords and more are no longer being synced to your account but will remain on this device. You can sign it to start syncing again. Let's click on continue button. We have successfully signed out. If you wish to remove completely, you can easily click on remove button. First of all, let's translate the language here. And after that, you can click on this minus button next to it and then it will be removed from your device. So in this way, you can easily and completely sign out or log out Gmail account from your laptop or PC. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.